One brave decision can change your life. Are you ready? Let's be brave together. We launched our first online degree nearly 10 years ago. Today, we offer in-demand accredited degrees and certificates with 100% online coursework. We have it all in one place for you: a user-friendly online learning platform, 24/7 technical support, and a history of getting online learning right. We offer small class sizes, accessible coursework to fit your unique learning style, flexible class schedules, and dynamic, high-quality programs designed to teach you real-world skills you can apply in your job immediately. Access your coursework 24 hours a day, 7 days a week through Canvas, our online learning platform. With Canvas, your classroom is anywhere you have an internet connection, and your class time is whenever you want. That means you can watch lectures, read documents, engage in discussions, participate in learning activities, and complete assignments on your schedule. At Maryville, your success is our top priority, and we have a history of helping students achieve their goals. We're proud that 98% of our traditional graduates, as well as 96% of our online undergrads, have a job or enroll in advanced education programs within 6 months of graduation. Our application process is streamlined so you can start without the hassle. Apply online in about 15 minutes, and you're on your way to a brave and bright future. There are no application fees and no entrance exams. And you can choose from multiple start dates, so you can choose to enroll during the fall, spring, or summer, whichever is most convenient for you. Once you enroll, you have access to our expansive support network that includes additional resources like 24/7 technical support, 24/7 on-demand tutoring for many programs through Smart Thinking, and career support through virtual career fairs and mock interviews. We're here to help you through the process every step of the way. When you choose Maryville Online, you choose a university that believes in you. We know you're brave. Let's be brave together. Connect with an advisor today